Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the system UI isn't responding on the POCO M8. So if you're using your phone and something weird happens, as if the phone freezes and the system UI isn't responding option pops up, or anything similar to that, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, then scroll down to apps, and then we're going to look up system UI. So just go to the search bar and type in system, then find the system UI option, tap on it, and then we're going to have this clear cache button on the bottom right. We're going to tap on that and then confirm. So the cache is going to get cleared, and that will just pretty much free up some of the space. As you can see, the system UI storage has went from 77 to 69. That means the cache has been cleared, and that should help you with the issue. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.